In a sunlit rooftop garden, a community group discovers shelter-building tricks using fallen branches, vines, and tarps, turning waste into a learning canvas. Kids and adults learn to identify edible plants, track water flow, and prototype simple rain collection systems, linking food, water, and shelter to real-world resilience. A local mentor demonstrates safe fire building with dry tinder and windbreaks, emphasizing risk awareness, testing, and improvisation instead of hard rules. The session blends science with storytelling, showing how observation of plants, insects, and weather patterns builds a practical survival mindset. As the sun sets, participants leave with action plans to recreate small nature classrooms in backyards, balconies, or community plots, extending education beyond the meetup.